Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator on your Mercedes from around the 2010-2011 period. Now this is for the E-Class, the C-Class, as well as CLS class and a few other models. Now I'm in a CLS class here. Okay, so what we want to do is put your key in position 1 and wait for the car to start up. And then once the car's loaded up, make sure that you're on the trip screen. So you scroll across that with the menu at the bottom, sorry, on the left and right on the steering wheel. And you need to make sure that you're on the miles screen like this, or depending on your country, you might have kilometers displayed. Now this screen is where you get the speedo and the start and all that kind of thing. So you just press up until you get to this screen here. So when you're on this screen, in order to get to the service menu, you need to press and hold the start call and the OK buttons together for about 5 seconds or so. Now, unfortunately, it's not a case of just pressing them both together. If you press them both together, you'll get this reset trip meter. So you just press cancel for that. So what you need to do is press the start call ever so slightly just before the OK, like half a second before, and then keep them held down. So I'll demonstrate here. So it's start call and OK. And after a couple of seconds or so, you'll get the separate screen. So I'll show you that one more time. So it's the start call and OK, but the start call ever so slightly just before the OK. And you get this screen here. Now if you keep getting the reset trip meter screen, now that's because you're pressing them at exactly the same time. So you need to press the start call ever so slightly before the other one. Anyway, so this will show you the following screen. We've got vehicle data, roller test and assist plus. So I'll just very quickly go through what these are. So the vehicle data, it shows you basic information such as the battery voltage and software details and so on. You can just scroll all the way through that. It'll also give you a VIN number and your engine number. Okay, and then you press back and you got the roller test. Now this is for the rolling road, the dyno, if you ever just get your car tested. Also, it completely disengages the stability control, which probably useful if you're on a track or something, but we won't go over that here. You press back out that. And then you've got Assist Plus, which is the service interval. So you need to go into Assist Plus, you've got service data and full service. So have a quick look at service data, and it gives you the code of the next service which is due, how many days when it's due, and the mileage and so on. And you come out of that, and then you've got the full service mode. Now the services which are due coming up will be the next one for this car, service 2, and so on. So you want to go to confirm full service, then it'll ask you oil grade, has a proper oil service being carried out. You want to go to yes, and then go to confirm. Now of course I'm not due a service, so I won't go through this, but generally you just press the OK button, then it'd say confirm full service, press OK again, and then job's good. And after which, just keep pressing the back button and it'll take you back to the standard screen. And that brings us to the end of this video. Just before you go, make sure you check out the KillerHERTZ Instagram page, where I regularly update it with photos of Mercedes content. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button if you haven't already, as well as the bell notification so you stay notified of all my upcoming videos and content. Until next time, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.